Hi, I'm Z. Welcome back to the channel. If you guys don't know me, I'm a tattoo artist based in Toronto, and on this video, I'm going to walk you through our process of healing tattoo with second skin. If you guys don't know what second skin is, it is a medical grade skin tight barrier that we use to heal tattoos. It is also called wet healing, and whenever you're not using it, it's called dry healing. There's a lot of brands out there. The ones that I'll be using called Hyperfix. Your tattoo artist probably refer it to different things, different names, but they all do the same thing. It comes in a big roll of paper, and you normally want to cut them into smaller pieces and open the first layer, stick it on, and take off the second layer. Some of them will have the plasticky look to it, and this one, the one I'm using, is very matted, so it feels kind of like skin. I think it's more comfortable too to wear. A lot of my client likes it. However, I don't normally use it on my clients unless they ask, or yeah, it just depends on the tattoo too, and depends on like what they do after the session. Like if the day after the session they need to work and they work in a construction setting, then I would most likely use it just to put extra protection, extra security, you know, like it's dirty and this will keep it in there and clean. So yeah, personally I've used it once on my smaller tattoo. I prefer dry healing because most of the time I get like big chunks of limbs of area covered by tattoo, and I thought it'll be like too much of area to cover. It doesn't feel the best when you need to like peel it. Since it's been a while that I've used it, I've been in the industry longer and I've been using second skin on my clients as well, so I thought it'll be best for me to try it on myself. So yeah, I'm going to show you day by day. I think I'm going to keep it on for 5 till 6 days, and we'll see how things are healing together, and I hope you guys enjoy.
So, we have some options here for relaxed buttons for you. These are all processed.
Yeah, for YouTube.
Rin-san, say hi.
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 Oh, pro Senidomist too. Oh, pro Senidomist too.
Right outside.
So I'm on day 3 currently, and everything looks fine. Just gonna get you a quick update. Alright, I'm in my bathtub right now. This is the 5th day of having the second skin on, and it's been feeling pretty uncomfortable since yesterday. I don't know, it feels like something, it feels like you're wearing wet pants, so it feels like sticking to your leg. It kind of bothers me after a while. I can't wait to take it off. So what I'm about to show you is how to take it off properly. I prepare some clean paper towel close to me. Just once it's washed, I can just like pat it dry. And I have a soap to clean it. Right now I have a Vino for sensitive skin. So ideally you would want to have antibacterial soap, anything that's gentle and unscented. But I can't find mine for some reason, so this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna let my legs soaked in warm water for a while, and yeah, I probably have to voice over this because the water's gonna be too loud. Hey guys, so here I'm trying to rinse my leg with warm water to loosen up the adhesive before trying to pull it out. You can see how I'm starting to pull out the second skin bit by pulling it towards my body instead of away. I find it is more gentle this way. It was not easy to pull everything. It took quite a bit of time and it was kind of painful. Now, I'm recording this on the 6th day after removing the second skin. My tattoo is super itchy still, and I got some adhesive mark and redness on some parts of my tattoo and around the tattoo itself. I think I'm getting a bit of reaction from the adhesive. I didn't know this about myself before, and I'm wondering if it could be prevented by taking the second skin off a bit sooner. I'm not sure, again, as this is my first time healing with one for a big tattoo. Now, would I recommend it? Of course. Most of my clients that tried it, they never had a problem and they liked it. So for people who needs it, and if it gives more convenience to them, why not? I wouldn't recommend it to those who have sensitive skin or an allergy to adhesive. After I managed to take the second skin off, I lather my tattoo with soap and give it a thorough wash before patting it dry with a clean paper towel. And that's it. How do you guys heal your tattoos? And which method do you prefer? Do you prefer wet healing or dry healing? Let me know in the comment section below. Until next time, bye!